The ads usually find you when you are feeling most vulnerable. Maybe you are tired of that mid-afternoon brain fog. Perhaps you are genuinely worried about your circulation as you get older. Suddenly, a sleek video for True Nutra Drops appears in your feed. It promises a total health transformation using nothing but a few drops of liquid. They talk about blood sugar balance and metabolism like they have discovered a secret fountain of youth in a tiny glass bottle. It sounds so incredibly simple. The instructions tell you to take one dropper under your tongue before a meal. Then you just wait for the energy to surge through your body. The website is filled with glowing faces. You see stories of people who supposedly regained their zest for life in just a few days. But stop right there and look closer at the details. We need to examine the mechanics of how these companies actually operate behind the curtain. Most of those amazing testimonials are hosted directly on their own private servers. You will not find those same success stories on neutral ground or verified independent review platforms. That is a massive red flag. When a company controls the entire narrative from top to bottom, you are not reading honest reviews. You are reading carefully crafted marketing copy disguised as real human experience. There is a deep rabbit hole here involving something called drop shipping operations. This means the company behind the website might not even manufacture the product they sell. They are just a middleman with a clever marketing budget. They slap a fancy label on a generic liquid supplement. Then they mark up the price by 500%. You think you are getting a specialized health formula backed by science. In reality, you might be getting a mystery liquid from a bulk factory. That factory sells the same exact stuff to dozens of other fly-by-night brands. This lack of transparency is more than just annoying. It is potentially dangerous. If they do not own the manufacturing process, how can they truly guarantee what is inside that dropper? Then there is the absolute nightmare of the billing practices reported by many customers. People are describing a scenario that sounds like a total trap. You think you are buying one single bottle just to see if it works. Suddenly, your credit card gets hit every single month for a subscription you never knowingly joined. Good luck trying to get a refund from a company that hides behind vague contact forms. These operations are designed as high-pressure sales funnels. They want your money up front. They make it nearly impossible to talk to a real human being once the sale is final. The claims about blood sugar and circulation are incredibly bold. They require serious clinical backing. Yet there is zero independent evidence provided for this specific brand. There are no peer-reviewed studies. There are just flashy graphics and vague promises. It feels like a gamble where the house always wins. You are risking your hard-earned money on a product that lacks basic accountability. The smartest move you can make today is to close that browser tab. This is not about your wellness. This is a predatory marketing machine. It is designed to extract cash from your bank account while giving you nothing but false hope in return. Stay skeptical and stay safe.